So if you're walking out in the sun, your shoes will actually change. So we'll give you a little demonstration.
Tell them run it up. I wake up. Yeah. I wake up, flex, thumb down now. Check, no drip, this wet. Tell them run it up. No sleep, no rest. Might crash, might wreck. But first I stretch. Tell them run it up. I wake up, flex, thumb down now. Check, no drip, this wet. Tell them run it up.
Yo, what's up guys? Welcome to the vlog. So today we are here at the PCYC Stadium out in Orbit in Sydney. So obviously I'm here for the Kickz Stand Sydney event. It's more than just lifestyle tour. Yeah, they're just basically setting up right now. The boys down there. Stupid out there. There's the long man.
Oh, good morning fam. KIXPLORE, congratulations on 1,000 subs. It's like I can't get to those levels, man, because I can get to those levels, but I'm on that grind at the moment. But today's a good day, even though it's wet. You can see my face, I'm fogging up.
That's not sweat, that's the rain.
That's yeah, but for real, this is gonna be a really good day. We got this more packed than we did last year in the sense of how we got it set up. But follow this vlog. You're gonna have a lot of fun with this. I'm gonna have a lot of fun with this. And I'm gonna start learning stuff up.
Yeah. So he's helping out with the setup. One of the main organizers, if you guys didn't know, and yeah. So there's the main kind of entrance area. There's Jay down there, walking. So yeah, I'm just wearing my old school cheap, was it Shaquille O'Neal retro jersey? I got it from eBay. It was around, I think it was like 40 bucks. So, and I actually wore this mesh t-shirt over it because I know. I was just like, oh, it might be a little bit cold, so I might wear a t-shirt, but I don't want to not show my actual singlet. So I'm actually wearing white shoes. It's actually the worst day to wear white shoes because it's like raining so hard right now. Let's get helping with these guys. I feel bad. I better go help out. The boys broke out the basketball already. Like before the show's even started. These guys already play basketball, man. Let's see. Oh, what a brick. It's not every day you get to see a pair of Yeezys out here. This is crazy. Can't believe you're even selling this. Wow. How much are you selling this for?
21.
$21?
Yeah.
$21? Yeah. I'm at the Sydney reseller station here with my boyfriend.
Hey, how you going?
What's this, Fred? What's this?
So when you buy something, you get like a spinner.
Yeah.
And so pretty much you got options from like nothing, screen sticker, or horse seat.
Pretty good, man.
So like you got a chance to win a horse seat, so it's not too bad. It's good. You come by, check it out.
No one else is doing this. It's pretty good. Yo, bro. So what's cool about this one is they got free ice cream, bro. It's just I don't even know what that means. Mini Yuki, mini Daifu, whatever, much ice cream. There's all this stuff. All this stuff is for free, bro. Myself, because I was supposed to get it. I have to wait 30 minutes. Damn it! So before the actual doors open, I'm gonna be walking around, and I'm here at the Chameleon Kickz Stand, and check this out, guys. He had died, bro. He died everything, man. He died the whole thing, even on the inside. What's up, guys? So I've got up with this really. No, take it off, man. Take it off. Take it off. Wait. So what's up? So I found this really cool jacket here with my girl over here. So what is
Ladies and gentlemen, this is a 5-minute warning
and then eventually put the glasses on, man. Oh, look at the drip. Look at that drip, man.
We are closing that door in 5 minutes. So
So the doors have opened and everyone is walking in right now. Anna's here by herself because Brandon abandoned her. Look at that face. Do you see that face, Brandon? She's doing alright, she's doing good, she's doing good. So what's up, guys? So As you can see in the background, it is crazy. There's so many people. I heard there was actually a record amount of people actually pre-ordering their tickets to this event. So that's pretty cool. And yeah, it's really popping. It's really full. It's really packed. And yeah, I just want my ice cream, bro. What's up, guys? So I'm seeing a lot of crazy stuff here at the TKS event, and I'm here with my. I forgot your name already. It's Aiden. I'm here with Aiden. And look what he's got, bro. Let's check it out, man. What's this? What's that, man?
Louis Vuitton dog.
Louis Vuitton, little friggin'. What kind of dog is that? Is that a pug?
Yeah, I think it is something.
Oh, man, that's
Not for resales.
And he's got the not for resale, man. Look at him, man. What a flexing guy, man. What a flexing guy, man. Yo, what's up? So I'm at Soul Prints again. I see this guy almost every year, man, and he's got some pretty good stuff, man. So today I'm getting this one. I actually got the picture frame of this, and I was like thinking, man, I gotta get this too, man. So I'm gonna rep my brand. I'm gonna rep this guy, man. Thank you so much, bro. Oh, man, anytime. Yo, what's up? Check it out. There's Lawman, selling his stuff. Boris is actually doing pretty good with his sales, so props to Lawman.
I appreciate that feedback. I appreciate. He's saying that he thinks this is better than SneakerCon. I appreciate the feedback. That's the truth.
Better vibe.
Howdy, it's your man Kev Animal. We're here at the Kickz Stand event. My guys, we on the channel. Stay tuned. We having a good time making some paper.
Limited.Oz, go follow us on Instagram.
Yalla yalla. Yalla yalla in Fiji, it means to make a promise. It's the gold collection. Been around 5 months. Check us out, yallayalla.com.au. Give us a follow on Insta. Peace.
Guys, I'm Jess from Junior Street. We've got streetwear for La Familia from kids all the way up to adults. Come check us out.
You're literally one of the craziest setups that they have here at the Kickz Stand. It's here with this is my man here.
How's it going, guys? Yeah, so we went for a little bit of a crazier setup this time. Just sort of a little mini retail shop. So these are some of our stock customs you can find on our website, stuff like that. A couple jackets, heat-sensitive shoes. Yeah, showcasing some new collections that we're about to release in the next year or so, and giving everyone a little bit of a taste of what we can do. So this is one of our customs where we actually put a heat-sensitive paint on there. So it's a triple thermal. It goes from purple to red to green. So if you're walking out in the sun, the shoes will actually change. So we'll give you a little demonstration.
Oh, dude. That's real, man. That's real, bro. Oh, that's crazy. That is crazy.
So yeah, and then it transforms back to this over time. You can see around the ringlets, it's starting to change color back.
What up, guys? Down Under Hype here. Come to get everything. What do we got? All SBs. You can't go wrong with SBs. Come over this way. Got all the freshest Supreme that's just out. Can't be beaten on prices. Oh, what's that? Sign? No problem. OG Syracuse, not for sale at the moment, man. Supreme Cupid. What don't we have? We can get anything. What don't we have?
We are Lido, we're from Melbourne. Follow our page, the Lido. We got everything. We got Yeezys, Jordans, Supreme, Off-Whites, all your needs. And This is our partner Down Under Hype again. You can give us a follow. We always here in Melbourne. We do the free deliveries. Our shipping is free all over Australia. So if you buy anything, it will ship free.
Hey guys, I'm Davey, 3.Kickz on Instagram. So shoes, anything hype, yeah, just come to me if you need anything.
3.Kickz.
Hey.
What do you got?
I got some mate burger cheese, mate. Thank you very much to Mate Burger Henry. You are an absolute legend. Part of the church fam. Yeah, I'm just gonna get to eating because it's been a good day.
Did someone else buy a Monopoly?
Is that all for you?
Bro, you don't know about eating a classic? Get paid to eat. I mean.
Make sure you come www.sonder.com.au.
Yo, so what's up guys? They're gonna be doing the Yeezy raffle soon. So the giveaway is gonna be done. So yeah, hopefully the guy that actually wins the Yeezys or the lady that wins them, hope they actually use it. And yeah, hope they have a lot of fun with it.
Reseller season! You guys know what these are, so I don't have to tell you what they are. So. It's a green ticket. Green ticket is the prepaid, there you go, online tickets. 4367829. Better yet. Hey! Better yet. This is for the fam.
Nah, it's not gonna fit in.
Okay, Coach King rules, you have to wear them outside. Congratulations. That was our last of our project, guys. Thank you very much for coming out.
So 5 major cities that we travel. Yes, this is the last one. Yeah, thanks everyone for coming and supporting our event throughout the years. Thanks guys.
Hey, what's up guys? So we finally have a winner for the giveaway. And it's my man here. Woo. What's your name, bro?
Damien.
Damien, congratulations.
Thank you, bro. Thank you very much.
You're very welcome.
Thanks a lot. Look at these perfect puppies.
Wait, what size are you, bro?
I'm 13, bro. These are mine. That's alright. I'll give them to my wife.
Yeah.
It's
oh,
fine.
there you go.
She'll fit these.
At least, no, it doesn't matter. Even if she doesn't want them, you could always just like resell or whatever, man.
Thank you very much, bro. I appreciate it.
All
Thanks
the best,
a lot.
man. Yo, what's up, guys? So we're wrapping up towards the end of the day. I'm here with Lawman. He's taller than me, so I'm gonna lift it up a little bit.
I can do this.
So yeah, what do you think about today, man?
I think today we really executed really well. Energy was just at the same level or high all the time. My table was booming.
It was.
Booming straight up. Like I couldn't believe I hit the targets. But just the general reaction from the people, just the good camaraderie around all the vendors and all that kind of stuff. It's been an awesome day. And like the second time around here, we worked out all the kinks. More vendors. We got the basketball as well. Everyone stayed around for that. It's good times. Just great times, man.
Definitely, man. I really enjoyed it. I love coming down to these kind of events, even if it's not in my own like home city kind of thing. So that's why I always come here. It's such good vibes here. It's good to see everyone. There's always like the prizes, and there's always reasons to stay the whole day as well. So it's not just like an event you just go to. If you don't buy anything, you go home. It's like it's really good for people that like stay the whole day.
Yeah, that's right. That's right. And that's the thing. Like we don't put the raffles there for you guys to stay the whole day. You can come out, go out, do your thing, come back every hour on the hour. But yeah, you got the basketball. You can hang out and eat. You can just talk to Gift and the Gab on Trade Alley and just chill out.
Yeah,
you know,
man.
Different vibes produces different energy, and it's the right type of energy here.
That's true, man. Anyway, like, so major shout out to everyone that organized, Lawman, Jay, everyone. So yeah, thanks once again for watching this video. If you did like it, you know what they have to do?
Like, subscribe, hit the bell button, all that good stuff.
Alright guys, thanks once again for watching. I'll see you guys next video. Peace.